Hello, my name is Alexis Stevens. I am a brand marketing intern for the Atlanta Run Club. My role consists of collecting content for the social media, helping to coordinate and set up events, mainly volunteer coordination. And today, the skills that I'm going to demonstrate is the informational PDF I made for our previous race for 404 day, and the Excel spreadsheet that consists of the volunteers' names, times, and just their availability, and so how that was all set up. So let's get started. Hi, so the next thing I'm going to show you is the run of show that was made. The run of show allowed us to time block each task and designate a location. So within the run of show, you're going to see a column full of times, and then in that middle main column, you'll see where each day had a different itinerary. Basically, like for our Friday was just the initial setup, just getting everything together, talking to the volunteers, getting them comfortable with the area. And then that Saturday, which was our race day, that day was filled with people picking up their race bibs and coordinating with the volunteers to get the runners to the racing location. Okay, so the next thing you're going to see is our ARC pod directory. So this directory was made for our 404 event day to help people get an understanding of where exactly the event was taking place. I created this just literally taking images around Pont City Market, which is where the race was held. And I also used a prior weekend race day picture that we had. So this allowed me to create a little directory flyer, if you will, to be able to guide everyone to their destinations. This was mainly made for our volunteers, of course, and then this was also made for anyone who missed the initial send-off that the volunteers did with the racers. Alrighty, and so in the end, this experience taught me what volunteer coordination really consists of, and how tedious it can be, but when done right, how rewarding it is knowing that you're able to help everything of a major event go off without a hitch. This skill would definitely benefit me in my future doing that. I want to work in sponsorship and activations, which is like a lot of heavy marketing. And so for sponsorships, and activations, you're gonna need volunteers to be able to make those things happen. And so I think this will really benefit me in seeing how the volunteer coordination comes together. What I will say, really the only main challenges that I faced was just getting out of my comfort zone and having to do a little more talking to people and just not second guessing myself in how I was doing, which my supervisor, which then turned around and told me I was doing great, just amazing. So I'm very, very proud of how I overcame the challenges of letting my light shine and do a lot better job.